When doing scenery work, I use the StaticGrassKing static grass applicator, and I recommend you use it too. This is what it looks like. It's a simple unit that you can place anywhere near or on your work area. It's square, flat, and it doesn't roll around. It's powered by your choice of 4 to 12 volt DC. Notice that you can connect the power from the usual plug connectors or a standard wall wart. This allows you to use a wall wart or any other power supply, such as your benchtop power supply, your power bus, or your layout or battery. On the output side, you get from 7.5 to 15 kilovolt DC. That's powerful. That depends on the input voltage you use. That really makes working grass easy. 15 kilovolt DC pulls that grass up. The grass dispenser can be a vegetable strainer, a tea strainer, or a mason jar converted to a shaker, or my favorite, fingers. Fingers are great for adding static grass with this system. I have videos showing the use of each of these. You can use it as a flex box power supply also. And then you can use a special holding tool. I'll show you how to make all these things. It is great for making static grass trees and applying branches to wire trees. And here's another tool made out of a piece of wire that I use for making grass tufts. Very simple, very fast. Again, videos. All these tools are covered in the playlist below. This unit was assembled from a kit. There's a link below where you can buy this as a kit and save money. Or if you wish, you can buy it as a completed unit for plug and play. Now here are some images of modules made using this type static grass applicator. There are tutorials on how to make these below. So go there now to get links to the tutorials. And while you're there, do please give me a like button. And if you want, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, stay healthy, and have a good life.